Tibettv. Today we are going to discuss the second and third methods, that is super profit and capitalization method, which are continuation of previous method, that is average profit method. Okay, first we are going to discuss super profit method. Okay, first tell me, what is super profit? So super profit means excess profits earned by a firm in comparison to profit earned by other firm in the same business. Such excess profits are known as super profit. In short, super profit means excess of actual profit over the normal profit. I repeat, excess of actual profit over the normal profit. So under this method, goodwill of firm is equal to goodwill of firm is super profit multiplied by number of years purchase. Okay, so what is super profit? Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Okay, now how are we going to find normal profit? So normal profit is equal to capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return. Sometimes capital employed may not be given the question directly. In that case, we can find capital employed as capital employed is equal to total assets excluding goodwill minus external liabilities. Okay, students, we need to write down all the possible formula. If we do so, it becomes easy for us to calculate goodwill of the firm. Okay, first tell me, so what is super profit? So super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. So here average profit means average profit of past few years. It is also called actual profit. So here average profit and actual profit are one and the same. So actual profit means the profit which is actually earned by the firm. So what is normal profit? So here normal profit means the profit which is supposed to earn on capital employed by every firm in the same business. I repeat, the profit which is supposed to earn on capital employed by every firm in the same business. Now, here capital employed means capital invested which means the amount which is invested by the owner in the firm is called capital employed. In case of partnership firm, partners are the owners of the firm. So their capital contribution will become capital employed. So here, normal rate of return means the rate of generating profit on capital employed by other firm in the same business. I repeat, rate of generating profit on capital employed by other firm in the same business. So here, in order to calculate capital employed, I have used this formula, total asset minus external liabilities. Now, why I have deducted outside liabilities from total asset in order to find capital employed? I'm going to explain with the help of example for this. In balance sheet, we have assets and liabilities. Suppose say the total of asset is rupees 10 lakh and current assets are rupees 3 lakh and fixed assets are rupees 7 lakh. As we know that total of asset is equal to total of liabilities. So what is total liabilities? 10 lakh. Suppose say outside liabilities are rupees 4 lakh and we don't know the value of capital. Okay, now tell me, can we find the value of capital from this information? Yes, obviously we can find the value of capital by deducting outside liabilities from total liabilities. Either we deduct total liabilities from outside liabilities from total liabilities or outside liabilities from total assets, since total asset is equal to total liabilities. If we deduct 4 lakh from total liabilities, how much we'll get? We'll get 6 lakh. So 6 lakh is nothing but capital employed. I repeat, either we deduct 4 lakh from total liabilities or total asset. Why so? Since total asset is equal to total liabilities. Is that clear for you? Okay. So let us understand this concept with the help of an example. Okay, suppose say a firm A is earning rupees 30,000 as profits by investing rupees 2 lakh as capital employed. And other firm in the same business are earning 10% of their capital employed. So here the normal rate of return is 10% in the market, and capital invested by firm A is 2 lakh. So here, how much A has invested in the business? A has invested rupees 2 lakh. And what is normal rate of return? So normal rate of return is 10%. So how much we got here? If we cancel this, we will get how much? 20,000. Which means firm A should or supposed to earn rupees 20,000 as normal profit on capital employed. I repeat, A should or supposed to earn rupees 20,000 as normal profit on capital employed. However, A is actually earning rupees 30,000 as actual or average profit, which means firm A earns an excess profit of rupees 10,000. Difference between 30,000 and 20,000 is 10,000. So that excess profit is called super profit. Is that clear for you? How? We know the formula of super profit. What is formula of super profit? Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Okay, tell me what is average profit of the firm? 30,000 is the average profit of the firm. Minus what is normal profit? The profit which is supposed to earn by firm A on the basis of capital employed. 20,000. So super profit is equal to how much? 10,000. If we assume that goodwill of firm is calculated at 4 years purchase, then we can find firm's goodwill. How? Goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by number of years purchase. So what is super profit? Super profit of the firm is 10,000. And what is number of year purchase? 4. As we have assumed that goodwill is calculated at 4 years purchase. So if we multiply 10,000 by 4, how much we get? We will get 40,000. So this is how we calculate firm's goodwill by using super profit methods. Okay, now we will solve one question regarding the topic. Okay? Okay, I'll read the question first. Capital employed in a business is rupees 2 lakh. The normal rate of return on capital employed is 15%. During the year 2018, the firm earned a profit of rupees 48,000. Calculate goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit. Like I said before, we need to write down all the formula first. Okay, so goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by number of years purchase. Okay. So in this question, what is the number of years purchase? So here, number of years purchase is given, which is 3 years. Okay, so here we have to write 3 years. Since we don't know the value of super profit, let it as it is. Okay. Now, what is formula of super profit? Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. So what is the value of average profit? During the year 2018, the firm earned a profit of this 48,000. So this is average profit of the firm. Like I said before, average profit and actual profit, they are one and the same. So the value of average profit is 48,000 minus, we don't know the value of normal profit, we have to find it. Now we are going to find the value of normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return. So here the capital invested by the firm is rupees 2 lakh, isn't it? So here we have to write 2 lakh. And what is normal rate of return? 15%. Multiply by 15 divided by 100. So how much we got here? Cancel. How much we got? 30,000. Now we can put the value of normal profit, which is 30,000. If we deduct 30,000 from 48,000, how much we get? Yes, we'll get 18,000. Now we can put the value of super profit, which is 18,000 here. So 18,000 multiplied by 3, how much we get? Yes, we will get how much? 54,000. So this is the goodwill of firm. Is that clear for you? Okay. I'm going to solve one more question so that we can understand the topic well. Okay. Okay. The books of A and B show that the capital employed on 31st December 2016 was rupees 5 lakh, and the profit for the last 5 years, 2015 rupees 40,000, 2014 rupees 50,000, 2013 profit was rupees 55,000, in 2012 the profit was rupees 70,000, and in 2011 the profit was rupees 85,000. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of the average super profit of the last 5 years, assuming that the normal rate of return is 10%. Now we have to calculate goodwill of firm by using super profit method. Okay, so what is formula of goodwill? Goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by number of years purchase. So here the number of year purchase is 3 years, isn't it? Okay, so we have to write 3 years. By the way, what is the number of years purchase? It means for how many years the firm will earn the same amount of profit. I mean, for how many years the firm will maintain the same amount of profit. And we don't know the value of super profit, so let it as it is. Okay. Now, what is the formula of super profit? Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. So here we need to find both average profit and normal profit. So how are we going to find average profit? So here we have given 5 years profit. So we have to find average profit of past 5 years. Okay. Average profit is equal to 40,000 plus 50,000 plus 55,000 plus 70,000 plus 85,000, and it should be divided by 5 since we have 5 years profit. If we add this profit, how much we got? How much we get? 40, 50, 55. We'll get how much? 3 lakh. So average profit of past 5 years is 3 lakh, and it should be divided by 5. So what is the average profit of the firm? 60,000. So 60,000 is the average profit of the firm. Now the value of average profit is 60,000. Now we are going to calculate normal profit. Okay. Normal profit. So tell me, what is the formula of normal profit? Normal profit is equal to capital employed. So what is capital employed? The capital invested by the firm is 5 lakh. So here we have to write normal profit is equal to capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return. So capital employed by the firm is rupees 5 lakh. And it should be multiplied by normal rate of return. So what is normal rate of return? Normal rate of return is 10%. So 10 divided by 100. So how much we get? We'll get 50,000. Now we can put the value of normal profit. Normal profit is 50,000. Now if we deduct 50,000 from 60,000, how much we get? 10,000. So 10,000 is the super profit of the firm. Now we can find goodwill of the firm. Since we know the value of super profit. What is the amount of super profit? 10,000. 10,000 multiplied by 3. How many you get? 30,000. So this is how we calculate firm's goodwill by using a super profit method. Is that clear for you? Okay. Now I'm going to discuss the third method. That is capitalization method. The third method is capitalization method. Okay, so under this method, goodwill can be calculated in 2 ways. First, capitalization of average profit method. And the second one is capitalization of super profit method. Okay, first we are going to discuss capitalization of average profit method. So, under this method, goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. So here, capitalized value of average profit is equal to average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. Okay, now tell me what is the formula of capital employed? Okay, capital employed can be found out by deducting outside liabilities from total assets. Total assets excluding goodwill minus outside liabilities. So here, capitalized value of average profit means market value of the firm. So capital employed means capital invested. In a sense, the amount invested by the owner in the business is called capital employed. Okay? Like I said before, we need to write down all the formula first. Is that clear for you? Okay. Now, in order to understand the above concept, I'm going to explain with a very simple example. Suppose, say, normal rate of return is 10% in the market and capital invested by the firm, our firm, is 30 lakh. I repeat, the capital invested by our firm is 30 lakh. And let us assume that our firm is firm A. Name of our firm is firm A. So here, what is normal rate of return? What is normal rate of return? So normal rate of return means rate of generating profit on capital employed by other firm in the same business. Confused other firm in the same business nana. Mamzo probasura soniti the chashana. Nixie gipena Elabat the chick chashana, Elabat nana Sunga Pemamure. Did Sunga Mango Sama Karlana firm Yakanzo with business the Karlana Konzoki Sudat business. The Naranzo one is Sunga Shemar Samana de la other firm. The rate of return the 10% at Konzoki capital boom check invest Konzoki rate of return is 10%. What is 10% of 1 lakh? They will get 10,000. Konzoki boom invest they will get 20,000. Okay. In the market, just like any other business, we also have rival firms or competitors. Say X, Y from Y and from Z. And their capital employed of 20 lakh, say 40 lakh and 60 lakh. And their normal profit or return of 2 lakh, 4 lakh and 6 lakh, which means the normal rate of return in this business is 10%. I mean, the normal rate of return is 10% in the market. So, these firms are earning 10% on their capital employed. So, the rate at which they are earning, which is 10%, should also be our normal rate of return, isn't it? I repeat, the rate at which they are earning should also be our normal rate of return, because we are in same market, same business, isn't it? Okay, so now suppose say our firm actual profit is rupees 5 lakh. Our actual profit is 5 lakh. Now the question is, how much capital should be invested in order to earn actual profit of rupees 5 lakh? I mean, in order to earn this profit, how much capital should be invested by the firm? For this, so in order to earn how much? 5 lakh as actual profit of the firm, let X be capital to be invested. And what is normal rate of return? The normal rate of return in the market is 10%. Okay, so X is equal to 5 lakh divided by 10%. X is equal to 5 lakh divided by 10 multiplied by 100, which means X is equal to 50 lakh. So 50 lakh is the capitalized value of average profit, which means the market value of the firm. Whereas, however, the firm has invested only 30 lakh as capital employed, which means our firm A is enjoying the market value of rupees 50 lakh just by investing rupees 30 lakh. I mean, our firm has invested only 30 lakh, but the market value of firm is 50 lakh. So here, the difference between these two is nothing but goodwill of the firm. Is that clear for you? Okay, we will calculate goodwill of firm step by step. Step 1. capitalized value of average profit is equal to how much? 50 lakh, which means the market value of our firm is 50 lakh. Step 2. Capital employed, which means the capital invested by our firm is only 30 lakh. Step 3. Step 1 minus step 2. If we deduct step 2 from step 1, what is the value of what is capital's value of average profit? 50 lakh. 50 lakh minus 30 lakh. If we deduct 30 lakh from 50 lakh, how much will we get? We will get 20 lakh. So 20 lakh is the goodwill of firm. So this is how we calculate goodwill by using capitalization of average profit methods. Okay, now we are going to discuss our second part of capitalization method, that is capitalization of super profit. Okay, second method is capitalization of super profit method. So under this method, goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. Okay, what is the formula of super profit? Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Okay, so here normal profit. Now here we are repeating the same procedure as we have discussed in super profit method. Average profit minus normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return. Okay? If this information is not given in the question directly, then it can be found out like this. Capital employed is equal to total assets excluding goodwill minus outside liabilities. Okay, now what is average profit? Average profit means actual profit, the profit which is actually earned by the firm. And what is normal profit? Like I said before, normal profit means profit which is supposed to earn on capital employed by every firm in the same business. So what is capital employed? It means capital invested, the amount which is invested by the owners in the business. And what is normal rate of return? Normal rate of return means rate of generating profit on capital employed. Is that clear for you? Okay, now in order to understand this concept, I'm going to take same example that I have given in super profit method. Is that clear for you? Okay. Suppose say firm A is earning rupees 30,000 as profit by investing rupees 2 lakh as capital employed, and other firms in the same business are earning 10% on their capital employed. So here the normal rate of return is 10% in the market, and capital invested by the firm is how much? 2 lakh. So here 2 lakh multiplied by what is normal rate of return? 10%. So how much we got here? 20,000. Which means the firm A, like I said before, firm A should or supposed to earn rupees 20,000 as normal profit on the basis of capital employed. I repeat, firm A is supposed to earn rupees 20,000 as normal profit on capital employed, but firm A is actually earning rupees 30,000, which is known as average or actual profit of the firm, which means firm A earns an excess profit of rupees 10,000. The difference between 30,000 and 20,000 is 10,000. So which means firm A earns an excess profit of rupees 10,000, and that excess profit is called super profit. How? What is the formula of super profit? Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Okay, what is value of average profit? Average profit is 30,000. Actual profit of the firm is 30,000. And what is normal profit? The profit which is supposed to earn by the firm on the basis of capital employed, which is 20,000. So if we deduct 20,000 from 30,000, how much will we get? We will get 10,000. So 10,000 is the super profit of the firm. Is that clear for you? Okay, now can I say normal profit earns due to capital employed? Yes, obviously normal profit exists because of capital employed. Okay, now tell me the super profit that the firm is earning because of capital employed? No, the super profit that the firm is earning not because of capital employed but because of goodwill of the firm, which means normal profit earns because of capital employed and super profit exists because of goodwill of the firm, isn't it? Since firm A earns super profit of this 10,000 and no amount has been invested to earn super profit of rupees 10,000, and still they are generating this profit all because of goodwill of the firm. Now the very question is, how much capital should be invested in order to earn super profit of rupees 10,000? Or I can say, in order to earn super profit of rupees 10,000, how much capital should be invested by firm A? So here, in order to earn super profit of rupees 10,000, so let X be the amount to be invested so that our firm can earn super profit of rupees 10,000. And what is normal rate of return? So here the normal rate of return is 10%, as we have discussed earlier. So what is normal rate of return is 10%. Okay, X is equal to 10,000 divided by 10% is equal to 10,000 divided by 10 by 100, which is 1 lakh. So here the value of X is 1 lakh, which is nothing but goodwill of the firm. So this is how we calculate a firm's goodwill by using a capitalization of super profit method. Okay, now let us solve some problems regarding the topic. Okay, let us calculate firm's goodwill by using average profit, by using capitalization of average profit method. Okay, calculate goodwill. I will read the question first. Calculate goodwill by capitalization of average profit method from the following information. Average profit is rupees 1 lakh, normal rate of return is 10%, total assets are 10 lakh, and external liabilities are rupees 2 lakh. Okay. Like I said, always we have to write down all the formula first. What is formula of goodwill? Goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. So capitalized value of average profit means the market value of the firm. So what is capitalized value of average profit? Capitalized value of average profit is equal to average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. So okay, what is average profit of the firm? So here the average profit of firm is rupees 1 lakh multiplied by 100. And what is normal rate of return? 10. So how much we got? This 10 lakh. So here the capitalized value of average profit is rupees 10 lakh, which is nothing but market value of the firm. Okay, now we are going to find capital employed. Since information regarding capital employed is not given directly, so we need to find out. Capital employed is equal to assets minus external liabilities. So what is total assets? 10 lakh. And what is total liabilities? 2 lakh. If we deduct 2 lakh from 10 lakh, how much we get? 8 lakh. 8 lakh is the capital invested by the firm. Okay, so what is capitalized value of average profit? 10 lakh. And what is capital employed? 8 lakh. So if we deduct 8 lakh from 10 lakh, how much we get? 2 lakh. So 2 lakh is goodwill of the firm. So this is how we calculate firm's goodwill by using capitalization of average profit method. Okay. Next, we are going to find capitalization of we are going to find goodwill of firm by using capitalization of super profit method. Okay. Okay. I'll read the question first. A and B were partners in a firm in a business with a capital of Rs 3 lakh and 2 lakh respectively. Profits for the past years were as follows. In the year 2016, profit was 6,000. In 2017, profit was 80,000. And 2018, profit was Rs 1 lakh. Normal rate of return was 10%. Calculate the value of goodwill by using capitalization of super profit method. Okay. So here, goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. So what is normal rate of return in this question? So here the normal rate of return is 10%. So 100 divided by 10. Since we don't know the value of profit, super profit now, so we should find the value of super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. So here we need to find the value of both average profit and normal profit. Since information regarding both average profit and normal profits are not given directly. So first we are going to find average profit. Okay. So average profit of past 3 years is 60,000 plus 80,000 plus 1 lakh. And it should be divided by 3 years. So we have 3 years profit. In total, how much? 2 lakh 40,000 divided by 3. So average profit is 80,000. The average profit of past 3 years is 80,000. Now we are going to find. So here the value of average profit is how much? 80,000. Okay. Now we will find the value of normal profit. Normal profit is equal to capital employed multiplied by normal rate of return. So here the capital contributed by A and B will become capital employed of the firm. So 3 lakh plus 2 lakh, how much will get? 5 lakh. So here the capital employed by the firm is 5 lakh. And what is normal rate of return? 10%. So how much we got here? 50,000. So here the normal profit is 50,000. Okay, we can put the value of normal profit. If we deduct 50,000 from 80,000, how much we get? 30,000. So 30,000 is the super profit of firm. Now we can put the value of super profit here. What is value of super profit? 30,000. Cancel. 30,000 multiplied by 10. How much got? 3 lakh. So 3 lakh is the goodwill of firm. So this is how we calculate firm's goodwill by using capitalization of super profit method. Okay, so before I wind up, I would like to say something pertaining to the topic. Okay. You need to write down all the possible formulas. Google form Google formula formula and forms then we concept mix capitalization method super profit test now the formula but what yes, you're ready. Yes, some of the expectation at some of good so. Then you get 20% goes to the cancer concept you go to the average pull down below average pull that they go to a test and the concept sometimes they have also accounting treatment go through money to do it. This is the pull yavala, pull average pull above average pull, the pull yavala this is and also this is gas not this stored or the super profit method that is capitalization method that is below average formula shena and goodwill shema the cheap but form guru say lamsan to formula shame formula the kitchen to account jam color and accounting treatment done and accounting concept. And below average confuse concept confuse and transform the treatment concept so with this I would like to conclude my today's video lesson. Okay, thank you.